Okay, here's a short video highlighting the problem I found with the sequencers. We go into the sequencer menu, we'll make a new sequencer. Now, if we select the control as being a simple fixed value of on, okay, if we select loop mode here, you'll find that now I cannot select a servo. It does not let me select a servo. And also, there's no information in here that I can change. If I go back, what happens now is the sequencer is actually running, or looks like it's running within the core, and it will not allow me to delete it. So if I try and delete the sequencer now, it asks me, do I really want to delete it? Say yes or okay. And notice it says sequencer is running, please try again when finished. However, the sequencer will never finish. I can go ahead and create a new sequencer, and typically we might select a switch. So I'll just select a switch here. There we go, okay. Okay, as a default. And now we can program it as per normal. And this sequencer is fully functional, but you notice it's locked because I've got the switch on. If I turn it off, that's fine. So we can go in and adjust these points, etc., etc. And that's fine. That second sequencer is okay, but the first sequencer I cannot remove now because it's always running. So again, if I try and remove it, it'll produce a warning saying that it's running. So what's happened now is I've created the sequencer, but I cannot delete it. I can delete this one here fine, but the first one, it's not responsive anymore, so I can't change any of these parameters, so I can't actually stop it, and therefore I cannot delete it. And we can go ahead and create another sequencer in the same way. So if the user accidentally selects on here as a fixed value, this will lock up the sequencer in conjunction with the loop mode. So now that it's in loop, I can't turn the loop off, and I can't actually go back in and adjust the control. It's fixed to on and it's stuck there. Again, I can't go into the servo settings, I can't select the servo, and of course when we go into the setup screen, we're presented with this screen with no graph. So it looks like there's a minor bug here in the programming, and again I cannot delete the sequencer either, and we're stuck forever in this loop. Thanks.